Newton was an alchemist, which means the theory of alchemy has historical significance. It turns out that English mathematician, theologian, and astronomer enjoy alchemy as a hobby and try for years to turn lead into gold. Assalamualaikum and welcome everyone to our presentation. I am Norsyawaniza binti Mat Tarmidi as the first presenter, and
I am Nurul Afiqah binti Razak as the second presenter.
alright everyone, based on the statement that I stated in the beginning, the topic that we have choose is the benefits of learning chemistry. Sounds interesting, right? But before we moving forward to our presentation, let me explain to you about what is chemistry. Chemistry is the science that deals with the properties, composition, and structure of substances, which is defined as elements and compounds, the transformations they undergo, and the energy that is released or absorbed during these processes. Now we know the definition. However, Afrika, I want to ask you a question. Do you know who is the father of chemistry?
The father of chemistry? No, Shawanya, I don't know.
No worries. Let us watch this video together.
The father of chemistry. Can you guess who he is? Yes, he is Jabir ibn Hayyan, or Jibber as known by the West, was son of a druggist. He lived from 722 AD to approximately 815 AD. He spent most of his time in Kufa in Iraq and scientifically systemized chemistry. He devised and perfected many chemical processes like distillation, liquefaction, crystallization, sublimation, amalgamation, and filtration. Most of these processes are still used the same way today, his most famous being his distillation process. The glassware he used were also designed by him, most of which are still shaped the same way. He also built a precise scale which weighed items 6,480 times smaller than a kilogram, or 2.2 pounds. Jabir ibn Hayyan was also aware of atoms and compounds and how they combine to form bonds. He also attempted to make paper that cannot burn and ink that can allow us to read in the dark. His fascinating works were included in the Great Book of Chemical Properties, the Weigh and Measures, the Chemical Combination, and the Dyes. The great work of his was all done in his laboratory in Kufa and was rediscovered during demolition of some houses in the area of Damascus Gate.
Wow, only now I know that the founder of chemistry is actually a Muslim and he is Jabir ibn Hayyan. So, from the video and the definition itself, me as the chemistry student myself think that chemistry is a very fundamental element in our life. That's why we have to learn chemistry. However, do you ever wonder what is the benefits of learning chemistry? If so, that's what we're going to tell you today about what we will get when we learn chemistry. There's actually a lot, but today we are going to focus on these two main points, which is firstly, helps to have better understanding in health education, and secondly, offers variety of skills in life. I will first cover the first point, which is helps to have better understanding in health education. So, how is having better understanding in health education can help us? It is actually by being able to identify the type of chemicals in the medicine. As we know that the medicine practitioners, such as doctor and pharmacists, are responsible in giving us the medicine prescription, right? So, with the knowledge of chemistry that they learn during their med school, it will help them to predict any chemical interactions that are going to happen to make sure that the medicine we consume is safe and suitable for us. Next, the chemistry also can help the doctors especially to know about the chemical nature to give proper medical support without errors. As we know that nowadays a lot of chemistry tools that have been upgraded and improved, such as in the picture shown, the auto chemistry analyzer diagnostic that to that widely used in the measure of properties of blood and fluid to diagnosing a disease. These chemistry tools will improve the user's safety from biohazards and lessen the risk of contamination. So many diseases and disorders can be easily diagnosed with the help of chemistry. So, if we can see from this research that has been conducted by students of social sciences and humanities on the academic background of Nobel Prize winners in medical, despite the medicine education itself, chemistry is the second most important education in medicine. Therefore, we can say that chemistry plays a large role in our health education, right? So, Afika, I think that is all from me. How about our second?
Okay, the second main reason why you need to learn chemistry is because this subject offers you variety of skills. How does variety of skills help you? As you know, if you're having or knowing a lot of skills and abilities in your life, you are able to do anything. You must be wondering what skills can you get from learning chemistry, right? Okay, so here it is. These are the main skills that really important in your life that chemistry can give you. First is the skill to solve any kind of problem. As you know, chemistry has few branches which are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and physical chemistry. By learning analytical chemistry, you can learn how to solve any problems from any cases by using analysis steps. Numerical ability is also important to calculate anything, and it can be obtained by learning physical chemistry. You literally can know how to calculate something's boiling point or concentration of a solution. And the last one, the most important skill is time management. Skillful time management has been applied when you are doing experiment in laboratory. By having variety of skills, you also can be employed by many types of companies. Majoring in chemistry let you to choose the field that you want to be in it. For example, a chemistry graduate can choose either to work as a lab assistant, pharmacist, engineer, analytical chemist, or lecturer. So it obviously offers you a really wide field in finding jobs. A research from Durham's University also shows that 87% of their Bachelor Science Chemistry graduates were in paid employment or further study 15 months after graduation. It shows that a great perk of being a chemistry graduate is able to use subject-specific knowledge in many different industries. Last but not least, I need to say this. You, everyone who sees us, need to learn chemistry. You already know some of the benefits that have been explained before, and they have been approved by some researchers from experts. And it is not wrong to be learning chemistry. Who know you found an ability in yourself that chemistry can help in expanding it, right, Shawani?
Yes, Afika.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much for spending your time in listening. I hope you get something from us. Bye.
Bye.